Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the manifold gasket on your leaf blower, make sure the engine has cooled. Next, you should remove the wire and boot from the spark plug to prevent the engine from accidentally starting. Lift the tab to detach the air filter cover. Use a T20 Torx bit to unthread the two mounting screws, securing the filter base and carburetor. Move the carburetor assembly out of the way, and you can remove the insulator gasket. Now unthread the three mounting screws to release the engine cover. Next, unthread the two screws securing the insulator. This may require some effort. Pull off the insulator. If still intact, remove the old manifold gasket. Install the new gasket by aligning it on the insulator. Align the assembly on the engine block. Then fully thread the screws. Realign the engine cover and secure it with the screws. Position the insulator gasket on the carburetor and air filter base assembly. Then position the assembly and thread the screws. Make sure the air filter gasket is properly positioned on the filter base. Then realign the cover and snap it into place. Reattach the wire and boot to the spark plug, and your leaf blower should be ready for use.